Train spotting at Tilden Park. Here comes Father Solstice. And through the tunnel it goes. Train spotting at Redwood Valley Railway. I don't know what engine this is, but I think it's number 7. Sorry about the wait. This train is kind of far away. Here comes. Yeah, number 7, yep, number 7. There it goes. Into the tunnel. It's going on YouTube! There goes everyone into the tunnel. And over here they go. There they go, out there. Yeah, they're going behind, you can't see because it's bushes, but that's where they went. The earth, not securing it.